Critical Library Mismatch involving the Shell Migration Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To kick off the Shell Migration Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Shell Migration Library. It handles the transition of user interface settings, desktop icons, shortcuts, wallpaper, during a Windows version upgrade or the creation of a new user profile. Corruption in this file leads to user profile servers failed the Logon errors, or a completely blank desktop upon first login after an update. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Because Shell Migration Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Shell Migration Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A quick safety warning: never download files like Shell Migration Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Shell Migration Library-related system data. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Shell Migration Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.